what's up? It's your boy Cornificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Love Not War, Tampa Beat Acoustic by Derulo. Okay, so for this song, we're going to play basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 1, okay? So the chords that we're playing are E minor. Sorry, my capo is acting up. It's a little loose, so I have to like occasionally tighten it. So that's E minor, and then we go to C, and then G, and then D. So the strumming pattern that I'm using here is, so that's down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. E minor, C, and then D. It sounds out of tune. There we go. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. I will put it in the description below so you can learn how to hold the chords and then come back here for your progressions. But that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.